Understanding what the hell in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English expressions. What the hell is a phrase you might have heard in movies, songs, or in conversation. But what does it really mean? And how can you use it without causing confusion or offense? Let's find out together. What the hell is an idiomatic expression that often expresses surprise, confusion, annoyance, or disbelief. It can be used in various contexts, but it's important to note that it's informal and can be considered rude or inappropriate in certain situations. This phrase can be used as a question, "What the hell is that?" indicating surprise or disbelief. Variations include, "Who the hell?" "Why the hell?" or "How the hell?" allowing you to question different aspects of a confusing situation. Let's see it in action. Surprise. "What the hell? I didn't expect to see you here." Frustration. "What the hell are you doing? That's not how it's done." Curiosity. "How the hell did you manage to do that?" While "what the hell" is a common phrase, it's not one you would want to use in formal settings or with people you don't know well. It's part of a casual language that suggests a strong emotional reaction. If you need a more polite alternative, you might say, "What on earth?" or simply, "What?" These are safer choices for formal or professional settings. That's all for today's lesson on what the hell. Remember, understanding the context is key to using such expressions appropriately. Hope this has been enlightening, and you'll join us for more English language explorations. Happy learning!